Can using face wash and scrub together be harmful to the skin?
Hello skincare enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into a common query in the world of skincare. Can using face wash and scrub together be harmful to the skin? This question is particularly significant since it's all about striking the right balance in skincare routines. So let's untangle this, shall we?
What are face washes and scrubs?
Face washes are gentle cleansers designed to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. They are intended for daily use. On the other hand, scrubs are physical exfoliants containing small particles or beads. They work by physically removing dead skin cells from the skin surface. Scrubs are typically recommended for use 1 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type and the product strength.
Is it safe to use both?
The answer to this question is, it depends on your skin type and how you use these products. Generally speaking, both face wash and scrub can be part of a healthy skincare routine. But, using them simultaneously or too frequently may cause issues. If you're using a face wash and a scrub in the same skincare routine, make sure to do it in moderation. Overuse can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and potentially more breakouts.
What are the potential risks?
Over-exfoliation is the primary risk when using face wash and scrub together or using them too often. It can lead to a weakened skin barrier, causing redness, inflammation, and sensitivity. In severe cases, over-exfoliation can even cause skin damage.
How to use face wash and scrub safely?
To use both a face wash and a scrub safely, alternate between them instead of using them simultaneously. For instance, you could use your face wash daily and your scrub 1 to 3 times per week. Always pay attention to how your skin reacts to the products and adjust usage accordingly. In conclusion, using a face wash and scrub together can potentially harm your skin if used improperly or excessively. Remember, balance is key in skincare. Treat your skin kindly, pay attention to its needs, and adjust your routine accordingly. Keep shining, and see you in the next skincare discussion.